Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, I will be showing you how to get Instagram Wrapped 2023. This feature provides an in-depth analysis of your Instagram data, giving you loads of information about your profile, including how many hours you've spent on Instagram in 2023, your top friends, and how many users have blocked you. To get Instagram Wrapped 2023 for iOS, follow these steps. Step 1. Download the 𝗙𝗵𝘁 app here. Step 2. Open the app and connect your Instagram account. Step 3. It will then say generating your. Step 4. Wait a little while and your Instagram Wrapped will appear. Step 5. Tap the screen to scroll through your highlight reel. Step 6. Tap share to post it to social media. For Android users, we recently found that a developer uploaded an Android version of Instagram Wrapped, but it does not have full functionality yet. It may take a while. You can subscribe to our channel, and we will be the first to notify you when a new popular Android app is available. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you want to know more about 𝗙𝗵𝘁. And remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more engaging updates. Happy browsing!